In today's video, we will be learning how to build a website using AI. You can go ahead and type landingsites.ai in your web browser or click on the link in the description. When you come onto this platform, the first thing you might want to do is to sign up using the sign up button over here. And when you sign up, you get to use the free version without necessarily upgrading to the pro version. When I scroll down, you can see the pricing that they have. Yes, so when you sign up, you get to use it for free. After signing up, this is the interface that you get. And in order to create your website, you just have to click on the Add New button. Over here, you will type the name of the business. So I'll go ahead and say Juice Dose. And then you go ahead and give a short description. So I would say a website for freshly made juice. And click on Create Your Website. In the creation process, you get to choose a template of your choice. You can scroll down and look at the available template that they have, and I would go with this product template. You can decide to provide more details about your business, but I'm just going to skip this. To be ready in 30 seconds. Our website is ready. You can go ahead and customize the image by just clicking on it. You can customize the title, the main content, and the primary color as well. I'll scroll down to get an overview of the platform. Okay, so a great job has been done. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to give a try to this. And the next platform that I will be introducing to you is Dora AI. It works similarly as landingsites.ai. All you have to do is just input your prompt over here and click on generate.